Huh?
Are you taking a picture of the snow?
No.
When you take a picture of?
You.
Take a picture of me too.
Okay, I'm through.
Take a picture of me.
Is it snowing?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Snow on the ground.
Snow on the ground, that's
Yeah,
right.
there's snow on the ground. A little bit out there.
Stacy, you're a clown. Let me get jungle balls. Huh?
Come here, Jordan. Let's see what Mama's doing. Jordan.
What are we supposed to do?
Jump.
Come over here and do jumping jacks.
You gotta get jumping jacks.
Woo, good job. Because you like to work out, don't you? That's why you're so skinny.
I'm doing it faster.
Now what?
Jump.
Jump some more?
No, I think we're gonna do this.
How about, oh, you gonna do that? Okay, do it. Look, Mom.
I think I need to do some jumping jacks.
Are you gonna do some flips?
Okay.
Whee!
People steps. Hey, people steps. Let's go.
Wow. That's like breakdancing.
My flippins. People steps. Oops. Ta-da! Flips. Back flips. Back flips.
Jordan, how old are you? 3? Are you 3.5?
Yes!
Almost 4?
Yes!
Who's your teacher?
Miss Jennifer.
Who else?
Shelly.
Yeah. What's your brother's names?
John,
Yep.
Baba, and Mike.
What's your mama's name?
Tammy,
What's your daddy's name?
Dan,
What's your grandparents' name?
Papa, Pat, and Paulette, and Papa.
That's right. Do you know some of your cousins' names?
Wow.
Like,
Katie and Billy.
and who else? Kate. How about Kelly and Candace?
Yeah, Kelly and Cameron.
Got Andrew and Jake.
Yeah, Andrew and Jake and Billy.
Where does Pat and Papa live?
And Mississippi.
Where does Jordan live?
And Anna.
Yeah.
I was a baby.
Yeah, you are a baby. What are you going to do when you get big?
I'm gonna ride on a big roller coaster.
That's right. That's does every day.
How about some jumping jacks?
How about 'em?
I don't know. Okay, now flips.
Do that again.
That's pretty good, Jordan.
Do that again. That's a good trick.
That's laughing.
Is that all? Is that all your tricks?
Nope, I got
What other tricks do you know?
Okay, just this.
Just that? That's a pretty good one.
Flippers, jumping jacks,
Can you
fireflies.
can you do a backflip?
No.
Can't do a backflip. I can do this.
What was that? Let me see that. Ow.
Ta-da!